Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be walking through the Austin floor plan, and this is our model home in Coventry East, which is located in Crowley, Texas. This home offers 4 bedrooms, the first of which is going to be right here to the left of the front door, where we've got Miss Hillary using it as an office, as this is her model home. Walking into the home, you'll see that there's a large, beautiful foyer. To the right-hand side is where you're going to have your laundry room, garage, mudroom, and linen closet. This is the smart home panel where all your internet and cable lines will run to. The smart home package also includes a Ring doorbell camera, a garage door module that allows you to open and close your garage door from your phone, as well as adjust the thermostat from your phone, and turn on lamps or curling irons from a lamp module from your phone. Here on the other side of the hallway, you'll have 2 bedrooms, a linen closet, a coat closet, and a large guest bathroom. Here in the guest bathroom, we've added the optional second sink. So instead of one, like many of our plans, you have 2 undermount sinks in the guest bath. As we head into the kitchen, dining, and family room, You'll notice that it is a large, open concept similar to our other plans with a slightly different layout. This floor plan is great for entertaining for family and friends. You have a large sectional couch, a dining table, and bar stools at the counter. In this model home, we also upgraded to the stainless steel appliances, and you'll see that we added the undermount kitchen sink as well as an upgraded pull-out kitchen sink faucet. One of the other great things in this kitchen is the large bank of cabinets you can use as a buffet when treating family and friends. Heading outside, you'll see that we added the extended covered patio for this model home. The patio extends all the way to the side of the home. With this large extended covered patio, you could really do some entertaining with family and friends, or sit back and watch the kids while they play. Now heading into the master bedroom, you'll notice that we also added the bay windows, which offers room for chairs and makes the bedroom just a little bit larger and gives it that extra touch. You'll also notice the large 10-foot ceilings included that we have in all of our single-story plans in the majority of the home. And I like to point the 10-foot ceilings out, as most builders in this price point don't offer them, or it's considered a large upgrade. Just for reference, this is a king-size bed. Here in the master bathroom, you'll notice that you have two undermount sinks that are included with all of our master bathrooms. You have a separate shower and tub that's included in all of our floor plans. The upgrade on this master bathroom shower is the half glass wall between the shower and tub, as opposed to having a full solid wall between the shower and tub. Here you have a large walk-in master closet, and I'll dip down underneath the rack to give you a good view. One of the items that's changed on this floor plan is the toilet area, and the master bathroom now includes a separate door. Thank you all for joining us on another home tour, and please feel free to reach out with any questions on this floor plan or any of the others that we build. We have about 30 communities throughout the DFW, and we'd be happy to help you get into any of them. As always, feel free to leave a comment below or email me with any questions. And if you haven't already, please feel free to like and subscribe to this channel to help us grow. Thanks, and have a great one.